Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your CPU on your PC. Like if it's CPU limited, then you will have FPS drops in your games, so it's pretty annoying. So I'm gonna show you right now how you can fix it. Really, I have two methods, easy methods how you can fix it. So you go to start and type in regedit together, everything together, and click on the first register editor, this one. And if this user account controller appears, click on yes. H key local, this H key current user, and then we have to go to system. After that we have to go to game config store, and here on the game config store, tap on it, and here this game DVR enabled we put on 0, to be on 0. You should have on 1, but change it to 0 and click OK. Okay, I have a second method. We go back. You can try now and restart your PC after you've tried the first one. So let's go ahead and do the second method. So we'll go back everything as we started before and go to local machine. Then after that you have to go to software, and after that you have to go Microsoft. Scroll down, Microsoft, there we go. Next you have to go policy manager. Scroll down, policy manager, expand that. Then you have to go to default, and then to application manager, default, and then application manager, application management, application management, sorry. And we can scroll a little bit here to see everything that we need to see, and then go to allow game DVR, click on this one, and on value you go here, value again, and if it's on 1, you have to change it to 0. Right here, 0. Click OK, and now restart your PC, and that should be fixed your FPS drops if you have. So that's what helped me. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you.